Tea and coffee are the most common drinks worldwide. But do you know adding certain ingredients to your daily tea and coffee can not only boost flavor but also provide significant health benefits? By incorporating these natural boosters, you can nurture your health with minimal efforts. The links of all the related products are pinned below so that you don't have to wander in search of the best organic products. Now, let's go through the 6 ingredients that can elevate your tea and coffee from mere drinks to magical health potions. Number 1. Ginger. Adding ginger into your tea and coffee can significantly boost your health. Ginger is well known for its ability to aid digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which helps in breaking down food more efficiently and reducing symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Adding ginger to your tea or coffee can provide relief from digestive discomfort and promote a healthier gut. Ginger also contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which can reduce the symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Regular consumption of ginger-infused beverages can help manage chronic inflammation and improve joint health. Due to its high level of antioxidants, ginger has immune-boosting properties. These antioxidants help protect the body against germs and oxidative stress, which can weaken the immune system. Drinking ginger tea or coffee can help protect your immune defenses, especially during cold and flu seasons. Apart from these, ginger is effective in relieving nausea and vomiting. It is particularly useful for reducing morning sickness during pregnancy and for reducing nausea caused by motion sickness or chemotherapy. Sipping on ginger tea or coffee can provide a soothing effect and help to manage nausea symptoms. Ginger has been shown to improve blood circulation. It helps in the expansion of blood vessels, which facilitates better blood flow throughout the body. Improved circulation can promote overall cardiovascular health and help in maintaining optimal body functions. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of ginger make it effective in reducing muscle pain and soreness. Consuming ginger in your tea or coffee can help alleviate exercise-induced muscle soreness and reduce the severity of menstrual pain. Ginger can also support weight loss by boosting metabolism and increasing feelings of fullness. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels and improves fat digestion, which can contribute to weight management. Adding ginger to your daily beverages can be a helpful addition to your weight loss regimen. The high levels of antioxidants in ginger help neutralize free radicals in the body. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Drinking ginger tea or coffee regularly can provide a rich source of antioxidants to help protect your body from oxidative damage. Adding ginger to your tea and coffee is an easy and delicious way to reap numerous health benefits, from aiding digestion and reducing inflammation to boosting your immune system and supporting weight loss. Ginger offers a range of advantages that can enhance your overall well-being. Start adding ginger into your daily routine to experience these benefits firsthand. Number 2. Cinnamon. Including cinnamon to your tea and coffee not only elevates the flavor but also provides several health benefits. Cinnamon is well known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. It can improve insulin sensitivity and decrease blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has potent anti-inflammatory properties due to its high content of antioxidants like polyphenols. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which can reduce symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and reduce the risk of various diseases. Regular consumption of cinnamon can improve heart health by reducing risk factors such as high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Cinnamon lowers the levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while maintains the levels of good HDL cholesterol. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which help in protecting the body from oxidative stress caused by germs and foreign elements. Antioxidants play a crucial role in preventing cellular damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Cinnamon can help in weight loss by boosting metabolism and increasing feelings of fullness. It can also help in managing cravings. It reduces appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Adding cinnamon to your tea or coffee can be a simple way to support your weight loss goals. Some studies suggest that cinnamon can improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The compounds in cinnamon have been shown to inhibit the buildup of tau protein in the brain, which is associated with Alzheimer's disease. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. This makes it a beneficial addition to your diet for maintaining oral health and preventing infections. The antimicrobial effects of cinnamon can also help preserve the freshness of your tea or coffee. Cinnamon can aid digestion and relieve symptoms of digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. It helps in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients, promoting a healthy digestive system. A pinch of cinnamon in your tea or coffee can provide a soothing effect on the stomach. Some studies have indicated that cinnamon may have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in cinnamon can help in protecting against DNA damage, cell mutation, and the growth of cancerous cells. While more research is needed, including cinnamon into your diet could contribute to cancer prevention. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce menstrual pain and symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can help ease menstrual cramps and discomfort, making it a beneficial addition for women experiencing these issues. Cinnamon not only adds a warm, sweet flavor but also offers multiple health benefits. Adding cinnamon to your tea and coffee is a simple way to boost their health benefits. From regulating blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation to supporting weight loss and enhancing cognitive function, cinnamon offers a range of advantages that can improve your overall well-being. Start incorporating this flavorful spice into your daily beverages to enjoy its numerous health benefits. Number 3. Turmeric. Adding turmeric to your tea and coffee can significantly increase their health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various health conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Drinking turmeric-infused beverages can help in managing inflammation and provide relief from associated symptoms. Curcumin is also a strong antioxidant that can neutralize the harmful pathogens in the body. This helps in protecting the cells from damage and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Adding turmeric to your tea or coffee can increase your antioxidant intake, promoting overall health and longevity. Curcumin has been known for increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a growth hormone that functions in the brain. Higher BDNF levels are associated with improved cognitive function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Consuming turmeric can support memory and cognitive health. Turmeric can improve heart health by promoting the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. Curcumin also helps reduce inflammation and oxidation, both of which play a role in heart disease. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats. It can also reduce symptoms of bloating and gas. Adding turmeric to your tea or coffee can support digestive health and prevent discomfort. Turmeric can help reduce pain and inflammation in conditions like arthritis. Drinking turmeric tea or coffee can offer a natural way to manage pain and improve quality of life for individuals with chronic pain conditions. Turmeric has neuroprotective effects that can help in boosting the body's immune response. Regular consumption of turmeric can help to strengthen your immune system and protect against infections. Curcumin has been found to increase serotonin and dopamine levels, which are neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Studies suggest that curcumin can be as effective as some antidepressant medications in treating depression. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help improve mood and mental health. Turmeric can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and improving fat digestion. It can also help in reducing inflammation associated with obesity and metabolic disorders. Adding turmeric to your cup of tea or coffee can be a beneficial component of a weight loss plan. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can promote healthy skin by reducing signs of aging, such as wrinkles and pigmentation. Consuming turmeric can also help fight acne and other skin conditions, providing a glowing complexion from the inside out. Adding turmeric into your tea and coffee can significantly elevate their health benefits. From reducing inflammation and boosting antioxidant capacity to supporting heart health and improving brain function, turmeric offers a wide range of advantages. Start adding this golden spice to your daily beverages to experience its powerful health benefits. Number 4. Cardamom. Adding cardamom to your tea and coffee not only elevates the flavor but also offers numerous health benefits. Cardamom is known for its digestive properties. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes and bile, which can help improve digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating and gas. Adding cardamom to your beverages can support a healthy digestive system and ease digestive discomfort. Cardamom has natural antibacterial properties that can help in fighting with oral bacteria and freshen breath. It can also help in preventing cavities and gum disease. Drinking cardamom-infused tea or coffee can contribute to better oral hygiene and a fresher mouth. Cardamom helps in detoxifying the body by promoting the elimination of waste through the kidneys. It acts as a diuretic, increasing urine flow and flushing out toxins. Regular consumption of cardamom can help in detoxification and support kidney health. Cardamom can improve blood circulation, which is beneficial for overall cardiovascular health. Improved circulation ensures that nutrients and oxygen are efficiently delivered to various parts of the body. Adding cardamom to your tea or coffee can help maintain a healthy heart and vascular system. Cardamom contains compounds that have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which can strengthen the immune system. These properties help in protecting the body against infections and diseases. Drinking cardamom tea or coffee can provide an immune boost, especially during cold and flu seasons. Some studies suggest that cardamom can help lower blood pressure due to its diuretic effect and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of cardamom may help manage blood pressure levels and support heart health. Cardamom has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Cardamom is beneficial for respiratory health as it can help clear congestion and improve breathing. It has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Drinking cardamom-infused tea or coffee can help soothe the respiratory tract and promote lung function. Cardamom has a calming effect on the mind and can help reduce stress and anxiety. Its pleasant aroma and flavor can also improve mood and promote relaxation. Incorporating cardamom into your tea or coffee can provide a soothing experience and help in reducing stress. Cardamom can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and improving digestion. It helps in the breakdown of fat and prevents the accumulation of fat in the body. Adding cardamom to your beverages can support your weight management goals. Cardamom, when added into your tea and coffee, is a simple and delicious way to increase their health benefits. Number 5. Peppermint. Adding peppermint to your tea and coffee can provide a refreshing flavor while offering numerous health benefits. Peppermint is well known for its digestive benefits. It helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Adding peppermint to your tea or coffee can promote smoother digestion and reduce digestive discomfort. The menthol in peppermint has a soothing effect that can help in reducing headaches and migraines. Drinking peppermint-infused tea or coffee can provide relief from headache pain, making it a useful addition to your daily routine. Peppermint has decongestant properties that can help clear the respiratory tract. It can ease symptoms of colds and asthma by opening up the airways and improving breathing. Consuming peppermint tea or coffee can support respiratory health and provide relief from congestion. Peppermint has stimulating properties that can help improve mental clarity and focus. The refreshing aroma of peppermint can boost alertness and concentration. Adding peppermint to your tea or coffee can provide a natural way to stay sharp and focused throughout the day. Peppermint has antispasmodic and muscle-relaxing properties that can help in relieving muscle pain and soreness. Drinking peppermint tea or coffee can contribute to overall muscle relaxation and recovery after physical activity. Peppermint has a calming effect on the mind, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. The soothing aroma and flavor of peppermint can promote relaxation and improve mood. Incorporating peppermint into your tea or coffee can provide a relaxing and stress-relieving experience. Peppermint is a natural breath freshener. Its antibacterial properties help kill bacteria in the mouth that can cause bad breath. Drinking peppermint-infused tea or coffee can help maintain fresh breath and oral hygiene. Peppermint can aid in weight management by improving digestion and reducing appetite. It helps in the breakdown of fats and can help prevent overeating. Adding peppermint to your beverages can support your weight loss goals. Peppermint has antimicrobial properties that can help in strengthening the immune system and protect against infections. Regular consumption of peppermint tea or coffee can help boost your immune defenses, especially during cold and flu season. Peppermint is effective in reducing nausea and vomiting. It can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing motion sickness or morning sickness during pregnancy. Drinking peppermint-infused tea or coffee can help in reducing nausea and provide comfort. From aiding digestion and improving respiratory health to reducing stress and boosting mental alertness, peppermint offers a wide range of advantages that can improve your health. Start adding this refreshing herb to your daily beverages to enjoy its numerous health benefits. Number 6. Honey. Honey, when paired with your tea and coffee, can improve the flavor and provide numerous health benefits. Honey is a natural sweetener that can replace refined sugars in your beverages. It contains natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which provide a balanced source of energy. Using honey as a sweetener in tea or coffee can help in reducing your intake of processed sugars, supporting better overall health. Honey is packed with antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress and pathogens, which can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. Adding honey to your tea or coffee can boost your antioxidant intake and promote overall health. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe a sore throat. It can provide relief from irritation and coughing. Drinking warm tea or coffee with honey can be a comforting remedy for a sore throat and other cold symptoms. Honey has prebiotic properties that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These beneficial bacteria help in digestion and help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Adding honey to your beverages can support digestive health and reduce digestive discomfort. The antimicrobial properties of honey can help strengthen the immune system. Honey contains enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, which has antibacterial effects. Regular consumption of honey can help to protect against infections and boost your immune defenses. Honey is a natural source of carbohydrates, which can provide a quick and sustained energy boost. This makes it an excellent addition to your morning tea or coffee to kickstart your day. The natural sugars in honey are easily absorbed by the body, providing an instant energy boost without the crash associated with refined sugars. Honey can help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. Its antioxidant properties can protect the heart from oxidative damage. Adding honey to your daily beverages can contribute to a healthy heart and cardiovascular system. Its soothing properties can help reduce coughing and improve sleep quality for those suffering from respiratory issues. Drinking tea with honey can be an effective and natural way to manage a cough. The antioxidants and antibacterial properties of honey can also benefit your skin. Consuming honey can help improve skin health from within by reducing inflammation and promoting a clear complexion. Drinking honey-infused tea or coffee can contribute to a healthy and glowing skin. Honey can help in weight management by serving as a healthier alternative to refined sugars. It helps in regulating blood sugar levels and can reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Incorporating honey into your beverages can support your weight loss or weight management goals. Adding honey to your tea and coffee is a delicious and healthful way to enhance their benefits. From supporting digestive health and boosting the immune system to soothing sore throats and providing a natural energy boost, honey offers a range of a natural energy boost. Start adding this natural sweetener to your daily beverages to enjoy its numerous health benefits. These 6 ingredients, when added into your daily tea and coffee routine, can not only increase the flavor but also the health benefits of your beverages. Start your day with a healthier drink by simply adding ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, cardamom, peppermint, or honey. Enjoy the added benefits and enjoy the improved taste of your enhanced tea and coffee. For more tips on healthy living, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description to get your hands onto the best products. Till then, stay healthy.